What if I told you BMW may have just built its safest vehicle ever? The all-new BMW iX3 has officially taken on Euro NCAP's toughest crash tests yet, and the results are seriously impressive. Welcome to Future Wheels. If you love the latest automotive news and cutting-edge technology, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update. The all-new BMW iX3, built on BMW's revolutionary Neue Klasse platform, has earned the maximum 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP. But this isn't just another 5-star result. These are the first crash tests conducted under Euro NCAP's stricter 2026 evaluation standards, making the achievement even more significant. According to Euro NCAP, the iX3 could even be the safest BMW ever tested. The electric SUV, weighing over 2,280 kilograms, impressed across multiple crash scenarios, proving that its advanced engineering isn't just about performance, it's also about protecting everyone inside. One of the standout highlights was its incredible 95% score in the post-crash safety category. After a collision, the iX3's emergency eCall system activated exactly as intended. The high-voltage battery automatically disconnected to minimize fire risk, and even the pop-out door handles remained fully operational to help occupants exit the vehicle safely. Those are the kinds of details that can make a real difference in a serious accident. The iX3 also scored well in Euro NCAP's new Safe Driving Assessment, earning 73% thanks to its comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. These include systems designed to help prevent accidents before they happen, reflecting BMW's growing focus on intelligent safety as it enters the electric era. For BMW, this is a major milestone. After some recent models fell short of the coveted 5-star rating, the iX3 sends a strong message that the Neue Klasse isn't just about longer range, faster charging, and futuristic design. It's also setting a new benchmark for occupant protection. So, if the iX3 is a preview of what's coming from BMW's next generation of electric vehicles, the future looks safer than ever. What do you think? Could the new iX3 become BMW's most important EV yet? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Future Wheels, and we'll see you in the next one.